Okay, we're at 3416 Mandeville Canyon. We're looking at a septic tank. Just toilet paper. This is septic tank there. Coming back, this is 4-inch clay pipe. Underneath the front yard. And which one on this?
Yep.
Which one is it doesn't have to be heavy.
Doesn't have to be what?
Just nice and smooth, not too half-assed.
What's the 70% free mean?
Stick.
Space?
Oh, on this recorder?
Yeah, how much space on the recorder?
That's it. Okay. You can see some roots there, that connection. And some roots there, that connection, see every bottom there. A few little roots there. This is the transition from cast iron to clay pipe. We're in cast iron now, which will be probably underneath the house foundations. Go back in ABS. So what they did was they changed all the pipe underneath the house. ABS except for what goes through the foundation.
Common.
Yeah. But that's good, you know. This is ABS underneath the house. It's all new pipe. That's it. Clean up underneath the house.
Lovely.
The house.